Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, are you a beginner and looking for weight loss before New Year? Then this is the right video for you. So, watch this video carefully till the end to get to know more about it. So, being beginner, it is not easy to lose weight. Sometimes we do not know what to eat and how much protein we need for our daily requirement if we are working out. So in that condition we comes under lack of protein that produces lethargicness. You will feel tired and the next day you will stop exercising. This happens because you are not taking adequate amount of protein in your daily life. And being beginner, it is very important to stay consistent throughout the journey because it will help you to kill those extra kilos as fast as possible. So in this regard, here comes in action Atom Protein that is specially designed for beginners. That means if you are a beginner and planning for weight loss, then this is the right protein for you. Or if you are planning for muscle building, then this is also a right protein for you. It has amazing benefit. In just one scoop of Atom Protein, you will get 15 grams of protein followed by 17 grams of carbohydrate and essential amino acids 6.89 grams and non-essential amino acids that are 7.91 BCAA, which helps in maintaining the energy level that keeps you energetic during the workout, are available in 2.90%, glutamic acid 2.34%. So this is the amazing and best specially designed for beginners to achieve their weight loss target. The best thing about it, it is gluten free, and if you have any allergies regarding gluten, then this product is gluten free. And second thing, it is non-soy. That is very important thing in a whey protein, because if you have soy allergy or if you have PCODs or thyroid, then it is not recommended to have soy based protein powder. So this is like best one for you if you are looking for a protein supplement for PCOS and thyroid. And the best thing which I found in it, it has bioenzyme. That means no indigestion problem after taking this protein, because it helps in digestion and no gastric will be there as well. Best is for increasing the body strength, and I'll tell you, to prove the authenticity of the product, they have provided two-step authentication, and they also provide you the QR code and the scratch code by which you can check the genuinity of the product. And I'll tell you one more thing, the most interesting fact, the actor Sonu Sood consumed this, and the Olympic silver medal winner Ravi Dhaya is also a fan of, as it is Atom Whey Protein. So this product is dope free as well, GMP certified and third party lab tested, and this product is also available in choco hazel flavor. Amazing to taste and you will not regret having it. So if you are planning for weight loss before New Year, do have this and increase your strength as well as your weight loss journey, because I'll tell you seriously, my weight got seriously stuck for almost 3 to 4 months. I was not losing weight, but since I am having this protein powder, I am able to lose weight. So if you have any other question, just let me know, and the link will be in description box if you want to buy this product. And also you can message me on Instagram if you have any question regarding the protein or any fitness related question. Please message me on Instagram. My ID is Fitness by Dipali. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.